get on the L. Where are we going?
Slower dirt.
So here we are at the Acme Hotel Company.
Ricky's Dirty Undies for 5 days.
Snack bar here.
Dude, Ben said that there's more than 2.
A globe here. In case you want to see where you want to go next in the world. A couple dirty handprints on the wall.
Oh my God,
Big bros. Oh wow, there is a bunch down there.
Oh, there's a bunch? I want to look.
Well, there's definitely a couple more. Mini bar, $2 quenches the thirst, $5 conquers munchies, and $5 for a brew. We need to change our message. Little message. And this is really a door, but it looks like an alleyway.
Where are you? Oh man, they turned off that really loud music in here.
Look, that's the album that you have.
Sticky Fingers?
I like this one, Weezer, Ratitude.
You should go downstairs and film hold on, little Jim, real quick. Any more credits?
Ooh, they have sandwiches right here.
Ricky, why are you filming me?
See you later, Acme Hotel. Ooh, nice tires.
I rode a bicycle across the Golden Gate Bridge.
Or she was gonna die because she was in the car by herself.
Keep right at the fork to continue on exit 51H.
I think if I had to do it over and I went back to school, I would go into architecture and I would build a bridge. I like that idea.
You could do it so much you could do anything.
What? We're in Naperville, but I want to show you my favorite website right now. This website is called HeyJackass.com. It illustrates Chicago's values.
Where are we going?
So far in September, 19 have been shot and killed. And it shows you where each shooting happened. 28 people got shot in the junk. Shot placement. Death investigations. Only 33 year to date. Here's the deadliest hoods. So anyway, check out this website if you're in Chicago area, just for a little report on the carnage. Homicide clearance rate. Oh, this is another one that really irks me. Only, not even 20% of the people that are getting shot and killed are getting justice. Shot in the ass-o-meter, did you see that?
Oh my God.
149 people were shot in the ass. 159 million is what it costs the taxpayers for these people to kill themselves in the streets.
You want me to film?
He's gonna be like,
I don't want you to film me though.
Yeah.
hey Beverly.
Pretend to be in the hallway.
She's a natural.
We made it work.
Potato chips.
I'm gonna fight like hell.
Well, she should bring up
What
some
are you fucking
potato
doing over there,
chips.
Donnie Brasco?
I always thought it was like back and forth. Let's twerk. Let's twerk. Come here.
J-pop. J-pop.
Come here. Come here. Let's twerk.
I said hell to the no. To the no, no, no. How was the family thing?
It was good. I wish I would have brought the GoPro though, because their son had a GoPro. I was like, oh, that's so cool.
Oh Lord.
I'm getting serious.
This is our home video.
She's getting serious. Jacklyn, how serious?
This is my brother.
I've heard some good stories about this guy right
He's
here.
an MMA fighter. He will whoop your ass.
There was 20 on the table. You get that?
Bend down all the way. No, all the way down.
Okay. Hey, Ben?
Yes, sir. Hey.
You know, weddings bring out the love in everybody.
Before the wedding.
Jacklyn, stop being handsy.
Braxton.
Jacklyn, stop being handsy. Hold on, kick again. Kick one more time.
Get him, Jack. Get him.
Oh, wait, you can't eat the ball. I'm sorry. I had the teeth. Very cool.
Whoa!
That was my hat.
Dude.
I'm glad I took my computer off.
You're gonna be married tomorrow. I love
Don't
you.
do it.
I love
Don't kiss me.
No. Oh my god, I would never kiss you.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. It's an even match. Look at that muscles.
Yeah. Ben's got you snapped.
This is gonna be a draw, I think.
Oh, wow.
Get him, Braxton.
Yeah, Brad.
Get him, Braxton.
Oh, giving out. He's
Ben's
giving out.
gonna fuck you up.
Don't let him.
Come on,
Don't let him.
Ben.
Come on, Preston. Come on.
Oh, he took his arm off the table.
You can't go on the table. You can't go on your table.
Disqualified.
Get him, Ben.
Come on. Keep your fucking elbow on the table and then put it down.
No, you can't.
Like you
You
should.
can't keep your elbow. You can't. Hey, it was so fun to watch. Pizza. We're 3 deep in Chicago deep dish. Sausage and pepperoni and salami and like.
Hot dogs.
That is some thick pizza right there. Holy shit.
What
kind of coffee you drinking?
It's Sauvignon Blanc.